Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ron, and today I'll be showcasing a Zippo lighter that I ordered from the official website of Zippo, which is zippo.in in India. The cool thing about this lighter is that I got it custom engraved right out of the official website itself. That again is zippo.in, and this product ships out of Bangalore. Now, the importers of the Zippo lighters are William Penn Private Limited, and they are the ones who sell these across online. All right. Along with this Zippo lighter, I'll be also showcasing you the zip pouch, actually the Zippo pouch, which is a tannin one. It looked nice on the website, so I purchased this along with the lighter itself. So without wasting much time, let's just get to the unboxing and the review of this product. Getting to the lighter, looking at the box, it's a black cardboard box, which is pretty flimsy. It's got this leathery textured finish onto it, which is nice in a way. It says Zippo with a registered trademark in the front, and the back there's some information. It says imported and marketed by William Penn, Kormangla, Bangalore, and the MRP of the product is 2750, and that's what I got it for. The website says williampenn.net, but I purchased it from zippo.in, and this product is imported from the US. Nothing else to see in the box. Let's just quickly open it. Okay, there's a lighter. Now the engraving says hashtag the third floor BSc. I'm not sure if you can see that clearly. Yeah, there you go. The engraving says hashtag the third floor BSc. And the reason that I got this engraving is that this lighter was meant for the third floor bar stock exchange, which is in Varanasi. So do check my review of the place. It's on the same channel itself. The lighter, it says made in the USA, made in USA. It says Zippo at the bottom. Let's see what do we have here. Some information about the wick, as well as the lighter fluid and the flints, and William Penn's address, the service email address, as well as the phone number is also mentioned here. These lighters are apparently windproof. That's why Zippo sells quite a lot. So let's look at the lighter itself now. It's an olive green version, totally plain in front and the back. Looking at the bottom of the box, it says congratulations on your purchase of this quality Zippo product. For great tips and hints on the care of your new lighter, visit zippo.com/care. Right, let's look at the lighter now. So the most satisfying thing about the Zippo lighter is the click. That's what I like the best about it. The click that the lighter makes when you open it. So these products, they don't ship with a lighter fluid. So I have taken the liberty to add the lighter fluid onto it. Here is the wick. The flint is the stone just below the wheel, which generates the sparks. And this whole thing just comes up, and you can add the lighter fluid from this hole here. Let me just focus that. This hole. And the flint, you can unscrew this to add the flint. There are a few engravings here showing, stating that it's a genuine Zippo. Let's just switch on the lighter, and then you just do that to switch it on. And to douse the flame, just close it. At the bottom of the Zippo, it says Zippo, Bradford, Pennsylvania, I guess, PA, made in the USA, and it's got G and an 18 number engraving. Let's just keep this aside for now. Coming to the pouch now. The pouch again ships in a flimsy cardboard box. At the bottom it says Zippo Manufacturing Company. The price of this pouch is 1700 rupees. Imported and marketed by William Penn. At the top it says Zippo lighter pouch. Genuine leather lighter pouch Zippo. Let's just see what this is. There's nothing much to see in the box itself. Let's just keep that aside. Here's the tan pouch from Zippo. It's of course made of genuine leather, like they say on the box. It's a rough texture at the back, and this is the belt buckle. The pouch just opens here with a button on top, and on the button it says Zippo again. Zippo with a registered trademark. Some foam. Let's see if the lighter fits in it properly. This thing, it's a snug fit. I don't think the lighter will come off even if I turn it upside down. And okay, now it's inside completely, and there you go, it's sealed and buttoned. So it won't fall off. Now the problem with these pouches is when they're new, it's difficult to pull out the lighter. You'll have to put in a little bit of force to pull it out. But it's a good looking pouch, so I highly recommend you get one of these. They have various options. They've got a Harley Davidson one as well, which is pretty nice, the black one, and some other cheaper options available around 1200 rupees or so. So Zippo lighter, which is custom engraved with hashtag the third floor BSC, and the tan pouch. A good combination, won't you say? So that's it, folks, for this video. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe to the channel, the Venus Life Studio YouTube channel. By the way, I'll be posting more videos on various other lifestyle products. This is Ron signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.